Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we will be talking about some challenges that can be faced as you enter your cadet pilot program. The first factor is your financial consideration. The financial investment required for self-funded cadet program is undeniably substantial. This challenge resonates across the board and necessitates careful financial planning and resource allocation. The next is cracking the assessment. Overcoming the assessments forms a significant hurdle. The rigors of these evaluations demand not only aptitude but also meticulous preparation. Success in this sphere hinges on the focused dedication and rigorous practice. The next is the stringent training standards. Cadets must meet demanding training benchmarks. Falling short of these standards can lead to the unfortunate termination of their training, underlining the gravity of maintaining consistent excellence. The next is navigating bond periods and minimum terms. The imposition of bond period or minimum term might pose an additional layer of stress. While this might not concern all cadets, those who do find this aspect demanding can include it in their list of challenges. The extent to which these challenges impact an individual varies. It's crucial to note that a cadet program furnishes a comprehensive orientation and high-quality training regimen coupled with the assurance of job opportunity. This advantage stands in stark contrast to the conventional commercial pilot license route. Aspiring cadets must consider these factors collectively, aligning them with their personal aspirations and capabilities to make informed decisions regarding their aviation journey. I hope this clears all your doubt about the initial hurdles encountered with the cadet pilot programs. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Golden Epaulettes.